we are looking at the solution to system of normal form. In previous videos with our system of differential equation, I've explained how to convert nth order differential equation to a normal form. Okay, so we want to see solution to system of normal form, and then let's start with with homogeneous solution. Let's start with homogeneous solution of a system in matrix form, and that is written in this form: x differential x bar differential equal to a times what? Times x bar. Okay. What is the meaning of this? This symbol is a vector. This is a vector, and A is n by n matrix, which is a square matrix. Then let's consider this vector equal to this as a solution to the above system. Okay, so we have this, and then we have we're taking this one as a solution to this one. So what we do, can we get the differential of this? And don't forget, these are functions of t. Okay, these vectors are functions of t. Differentiate this solution, differentiate it, respect to what? Respect to t. And that will be equal to what? If you differentiate this one respect to t, that will be this one equal to u equal to u. That will be equal to okay. The homogeneous solution of the system will now become this one. This left hand side is equal to this one. So we have this equal to your A, and then this one, which is the solution, we have it here. That's what this. Okay, we have this minus this one equal to 0. Then factorize, we have this function is here, exponential is here too. Then we also have u is here, so we can factorize. Then we have a minus this one to bracket what's u exponential at t equal to 0. Divide by the exponential of this. So we now have a minus this equal to 0. Where this is the eigenvalue, eigenvalues, and then this is the eigenvectors. Okay, and then A is a matrix, n by n matrix. Okay, then what we need to note now is to the general solution of the system is this, the vector as a function of t equal to c1 x1 as a function of t, this is also a vector, then plus c2 s2 as a function of t. Okay, so that's the general solution. So that's the general solution. So the next thing we want to do now is to look for questions and begin to apply all this. Okay, so let's dive into question solving.